Hello there, this is Kaur from English Aasan. As you all guys know that I am learning English and I am posting my videos on my daily basis for improving my communication skills, as well as I am having a conversation with ChatGPT. But today I am not going to have a conversation with ChatGPT. Today I will tell you how can you improve your English by talking to yourself or by talking to objects. So let's get started our video. The first thing, you know words, there are many words which are in your mind, okay, but they are not activate. Now let me tell you what is active vocabulary and what is passive vocabulary. Okay, active vocabulary is that kind of vocabulary, like those are kind of words which we use on a daily basis for like structuring the sentences, for making sentences. Those are active words, like we have words in our mind and we are using those words in sentences. So this is what is called active vocabulary. But on the other hand, what is passive vocabulary? Passive vocabulary is that kind of vocabulary, like we have words in our mind but we don't use them, like we don't use them for making sentences. So this is what is called passive vocabulary. Now what you should do, you have to activate the passive vocabulary, because that vocabulary is gonna help you, because active vocabulary is also working for improving your communication skills, but you have to also activate the passive vocabulary. For example, there is a fridge and there are many ingredients in the fridge, and like there are many ingredients which you use on your daily basis, like milk, bread. These two ingredients are main which we use on a daily basis, like milk for making tea and breads for like eating, okay. But there are also some ingredients in the fridge, like we have those ingredients in the fridge from many days but we don't use them. So what we have to do, we have to use those ingredients for making the things, for cooking something, okay. So this is how we can use words for making sentences, for making new sentences. Now what you can do, you can talk to objects in your home. For example, like you can make sentences in a very easy way. For example, there are leaves, okay, these are leaves. Now what is the name of object? Leaf. So I can easily make sentence, these are leaves. Or I would say that this is a brick, okay, this is a brick, like this is a brick, eat, these are bricks. And I would say that like these are pots for flowers, for growing flowers. Or those are doors, or this is a window, and this is a coat, I'm wearing coat, and as well as I'm wearing earrings, okay. So this is how you can make sentences, by talking the objects, okay, by naming the objects. For example, I would say that we use clothes for wearing, and apart from this we can also we can have conversation with ourselves, we can ask question to ourselves. For example, what's my name? My name is this. Then what I'm studying right now, I'm studying in BCA and I'm pursuing I'm really into it, I'm very interesting in my course. And what are my hobbies? My hobbies are, I like to play with kids, I like to teach them. Or apart from this, who is my favorite singer? My favorite singer is this one, and he sings very well. So this is how you can ask questions to yourself, like just stand in front of the mirror and try to ask question to yourself. This is how you can improve your communication skills. If you don't want to use ChatGPT like on your daily basis, you can use ChatGPT easily. You can learn vocabulary words by the help of ChatGPT. You can have conversations with ChatGPT. You can also learn grammar, like vocabulary words by the help of ChatGPT. But this is how you can also improve your English, by naming the objects. Then you can make sentences by that. For example, you have one picture, you have one scenery, and there are many objects in the scenery. For example, you have one scenery of a playground, okay, like football ground. So there are kids honge wahan par, kids, football, and ground, grass, and also stairs, and also some parents which are watching their children. So there are many names, like we have very many words: parents, children, football, ground, grass. So we can make sentences by using these words. For example, there are some parents who are sitting on the stairs and they are watching their children. uh, there is also one football. Children are playing with the football, and there is also a grass, and there is also a very big ground. So we have made 5 sentences by the use of 5 words. So this is how you can improve your English. Thank you for today, and if you have learned something from this video, then please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.